R&B siguro and OPM. I wanna discover that side of me. Actually, I've always wanted to make music, pero it's I feel like I haven't fully tapped into it yet. So I'm happy na I'm getting this opportunity to do that with Cornerstone, and I'm definitely gonna be learning a lot along the way. So sobrang excited po ako.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For the Born to Shine girls naman. So what did you learn about the P-pop industry siguro, or through your characters, through your portrayal of your characters in Born to Shine? So any insights din about the P-pop industry na talagang which is happening right now in real life? Ayun.
Okay, so siguro one insight that I've learned about the P-pop industry from portraying our characters sa Born to Shine is grabe talaga yung discipline. You need to be disciplined, and you need to have those goals talaga in your life and find out exactly how you're supposed to reach them. Which for me naman, as a reflection, I'm really happy na I get to work with yung mga girls sa Yumi because all of us are determined. All of us come from the same background now where we started from singing competitions. So when you come from singing competitions, especially in your childhood, you learn how to be determined na you need to do your best all the time. You need to give your best. So siguro that's one of those things.
So then Zephyr.
For me naman, more on the technical side. So, nabanggit nga po ni Gia na discipline talaga is very important. But I think it's harder than what it looks like na parang we see them perform, but all the behind the scenes talaga nandun yung challenges and yung struggles. Syempre, you're not just on like by yourself, but you have to be as one. And it's hard to do that. Sa kwento namin, marami kaming awayan na nagaganap inside na obviously hindi nakikita ng mga supporters even sa story. But I guess yun yung challenge, really getting along with each other even when performing on stage. But I think yung pinakamaganda doon is you get to perform with people na may parehong passion in their hearts and yung love for their craft talagang nandoon. So despite of the challenges and the struggles, at the end of the day, when you decide to perform with all your heart and really aim for that excellence, talagang they will see you as one and they will see the unity and the harmony. As ayun po, so ang saya lang na may kasama sa stage.
For Michael din, because you also portray a singer, correct? Also in Born to Shine. So anything you learned about the P-pop industry also as well? And what did you learn through portraying your character?
Siguro it's really been an honor, the fact that I can be a singer in Born to Shine. I mean, I love to perform. Singing has always been a passion of mine. But dito sa Born to Shine, naging totoo na I got to embody the character of Nate na isang singer. And siguro, one of the things I always say why I love this show, napapakita po niya yung journey ng isang artista, ma-P-pop man yan, actor, singer. Lahat kami, dinadaanan niya yung mga struggles and yung mga problems na kailangan harapin. But I really appreciated the fact that this story was able to really tell the audience how difficult it really is. Respects talaga to all my friends in P-pop and everybody in the P-pop industry na hindi joke yung ginagawa nila. And pag sinasabi natin OPM, it's really happening now. I mean, the success of all the P-pop groups like Beanie, Yumi, di ba? Lahat sila talagang nandun na, relevant. And it's something that it's just an honor that we get to share the story of P-pop to more audiences. Even when I had my show with GMA Global Pinoy TV in Toronto, grabe, talagang pinag-uusapan nila yung Born to Shine, nanonood po sila, at yung mga kanta tumatatak sa kanila. So kumbaga, for me as an actor in this cast, part of this cast, nakakatuwa lang na iba yung influence ng Born to Shine. And I hope that we can continue promoting the true talents of OPM, and we're just really, really thankful that we're part of this wonderful show.
Thank you.